In this video, I'm going to show you how to make tasks in Google Calendar different colors so you can stay organized at a glance and instantly separate school, personal, and work items. This is a super simple setup, but it can make a huge difference if your calendar is starting to feel crowded or hard to read. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side and find the section called My Calendars. This is where you'll manage the calendars you already have and create new ones for different parts of your life. Now click the plus sign next to My Calendars and then choose Create New Calendar. This is where the real organization begins. Instead of putting everything into one calendar, you can create separate calendars for different categories. For example, you could make one called College Tasks, another called Personal Tasks, and another called Work Tasks. Naming them clearly will help you stay organized and make it easier to identify what belongs where. After you type in the calendar name, save it, and repeat the process for each category you want to separate. Once your calendars are created, go back to the left side under My Calendars. You'll see each calendar listed there. Next to each one, click the three dots icon. This opens the options for that specific calendar. From there, choose a different color for each calendar. For example, you might make your college calendar blue, your personal calendar green, and your work calendar red. The goal is to create a visual system that makes it easy to tell what kind of task or event you're looking at without even reading the title. This is especially helpful when you're planning a busy week, because you can quickly see how your time is being split up. Now that your calendars are color-coded, the last step is to create events in the correct calendar. When you add a new task or event, make sure you select the right calendar before saving it. So if it's a class reminder or study session, put it in College Tasks. If it's something personal, put it in Personal Tasks. If it's a meeting or work deadline, add it to Work Tasks. That way, everything stays visually separated and much easier to manage. If you ever want to change the color later, just come back to the three dots menu and pick a new one. You can also rename calendars or delete them if your schedule changes. This setup is one of the easiest ways to make Google Calendar feel cleaner and more useful right away. So to quickly recap, create separate calendars, assign each one a different color, and then place your events into the correct calendar. That's how you make tasks in Google Calendar different colors and keep your schedule organized with almost no effort. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.